I started 4 businesses that cracked 10 million in a row. I guarantee you that you will be making more than people who have 4-year degrees.
Alex Hormozi is one of the biggest names in the YouTube game. I made a video on him recently in the past, but I have noticed that he's doing one specific thing, which is just a perfect example of sparking emotions and being controversial, which you can implement for your TikTok organic dropshipping. Now, try to truly understand what he's doing here, and you're gonna see how insanely good this is.
I've eaten dessert virtually every night for 20 years, and I've been able to maintain a 6-pack for that entire period of time. Is you have to figure out what your goal is. You're either trying to get bigger, you're trying to get smaller. From there, you start at number 7 all the way up to 21. You go from extreme weight loss to moderate weight loss to maintenance to moderate weight gain to extreme weight gain. So let's say I'm a 200-pound guy and I want to get leaner. So I'm going to go to moderate cut and I'm going to say 10. And so I'm going to multiply 200, which is my weight, times 10, which is this coefficient, which gives me 2,000 calories. Here's step 3. You multiply your weight, 200 pounds again, you multiply it by 1, means 200 grams of protein. Every pound of lean meat is 100 grams of protein. So if you need 200 grams, you need 2 pounds. We have 2,000 calories, and we know we have to eat 200 grams of protein. All you have to do is figure out where you want to get your 200 grams of protein from and figure out how many calories are in that thing. So I subtract my 200 grams of protein and the calories associated with those meals from my 2,000 in this example, and I would have 880 calories left over. Those 880 calories, you can do whatever you want with them.
Why did this go viral? First of all, he is huge and tells you a thing which doesn't make sense in your head. He's telling you he has been eating dessert every single day for the last years.
I have never skipped dessert.
But he maintains a 6-pack. That statement by itself grabs attention and instantly you're hooked. You just broke their belief and now they want to listen to how that's possible. And you start explaining. Now, what happened here as well is so many people saved this specific clip just to be able to rewatch it, because he had this really specific equation in there where people know, all right, I want to get back to this. Obviously, I'm a lazy fuck. I'm not going to do it right now, but I want to get back to this at some point. So they saved it and they had it somewhere, and that boosted engagement as well. Now, what makes this controversial is obviously, again, that he is super big, but he's been eating cookies for the last 25 years. And this is something you need to truly understand and try to implement in your dropshipping business. Just check out this clip and you're going to understand how this all ties down to organic.
So you're niggers? Yeah. I'm a Cairo. I'll show you how to crack it.
The power of controversy is the most important tool you need to learn to go viral. Everything which happens in the comments is super relevant on TikTok. The craziest thing ever is, in some cases, videos go viral because of a funny comment. You have a shitty video, and then you have a really funny comment, which everybody liked and is on the top, and that is something which people engage with. They save, they share it with their friends, they comment on it, they like that, and they basically keep watching the video just to see the comment. And this is a very advanced strategy where you see that something went viral, but the clip is not really good. In some rare instances, you need to check in the comment and see if there is a one comment which just sticks out and goes crazy. And in some cases, it's just everybody roasting a person or something. The craziest example of that is one of my students, Jacob. He actually had a video with 100,000 views and it was dying down. It didn't go crazy. It just stayed at that level. However, he has seen a really dumb comment and he pinned it. And because he pinned it, everybody started bullying and roasting the guy. And basically, just because of that, it started to go viral and actually ended up at 5 million views. This just shows on how big of an impact the comment section can have. And you need to keep this in mind always whenever you post anything. Engagement baiting is the thing which is gonna make you go viral. If you want to learn this the proper way and want us to look over your videos and tell you how to add controversy in it, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're gonna find out if everything is a good fit. But keep in mind, there's 2 steps in this process. If you go viral because of the completely wrong reason, you will not make shit. You're not gonna make money. You're just gonna have views, which you don't need, because there's 2 things. Number 1 is views, number 2 is converting. If you go viral because you have like a Pornhub logo in the background and everybody's commenting about that, it doesn't make sense. You're not gonna make any sales of that. Or let's take this coffee pen here. If you basically write something along the lines of, if your friend's name starts with an L, he's gay. Something along those lines, obviously you're not gonna go viral in the right niche. What's gonna happen is you go viral for 12-year-old kids, which are not interested in your product, but just engage with this joke, and that's it. So obviously that's going to be the second skill we're going to layer in after you learned how to go viral. Again, if you're interested, click the link below and I will talk to you soon.